Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Stochastic on-chart indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays the stochastic indicator directly on the chart for us instead of showing it in a separate window, and we can use this indicator in this way. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. First, we have the settings for the stochastic indicator, where we can specify the K period, D period, and slowing period. We can also select the calculation method.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
For the internal moving average of the stochastic here from among these options. And we can also specify here the price type on which the stochastic is calculated. Additionally, we can set up to 4 levels to be displayed for us on the chart. The 20 and 80 levels are active, while the other 2 levels are inactive, and if any of these are set to -1, they will not be displayed. But if the value is between 0 and 100, that level will be displayed on the chart. Here we also see that level 2080 is shown here for us in blue. The main stochastic line is displayed in green, and the stochastic signal line is shown in red. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.